for this competition, we're going to be using a Rubik's Cube timer. Put the two hands on it. And then you'll see it turn on.
And then you'll see it turn green. So then when you let go, it'll start the timer. And when you stop it, you can just do this and it'll show you the time. 3 seconds. And then to restart, you can just press 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, my sister's going to go first.
$33 seconds.
33 seconds is my sister's time. Now it is going to be my turn. Let's see if I can beat her or not.
You ready?
Yep. 3, 2, 1, go.
So I got 30 seconds.